Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the team you'll use. First, make sure you're an owner or have permission to add channels. Without that, you can't proceed. Once done, click the 3 dots next to the team name and choose Add Channel. Name it clearly and pick Standard or Private based on audience. Private restricts access to selected members. Add a short description so people know purpose. Make sure to set the channel's privacy and post a pinned welcome message to orient members immediately. Once the channel exists, configure its workspace. Add tabs for the tools your team needs, files, planner, wiki, or a specific app, so content sits where people expect it. Upload and organize files into folders with consistent names. That reduces duplicate versions and friction. Next, set permissions and moderation. Decide who can post, who can reply, and whether connectors are allowed. This helps prevent noise and keeps conversations on topic. Make sure to explain any rules in a pinned post so everyone follows them. To finish, maintain the channel. Encourage use of it mentions and set notification preferences so messages reach the right people without overload. Periodically archive or delete channels that are inactive and audit membership to avoid access creep. If things go wrong, like missing messages or tabs not loading, check permissions first, then confirm the file's tab sync and update teams and connected apps. If problems persist, ask an IT admin to review tenant-level policies. A quick restart of Teams often resolves caching or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.